Guys, flash flood warning just came on the radios, phones, and the TV now. It's being pronounced in a different voice.
And 39 between mile markers 6 and 10. That's 23 between mile markers 28 and 45.
That was the rest of it.
All this stuff.
Excessive runoff from torrential rainfall is causing flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas,
There it is again.
streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. This flooding may very well worsen as the torrential rainfall persists over parts of the area over the next.
Well, it took so long that it stopped in the middle of the message.
The nearshore forecast for the Michigan waters of Lake Erie tonight.
Guys,
5 to 10 knots bearing to the southeast this evening.
first flash flood warning ever in July.
Mostly cloudy with light.
Our second flash flood warning
Waves 2 feet or less.
our second flash flood warning in 2019 was actually
Then becoming northeast 5
maybe
to 10
Sunday.
knots early in the afternoon.
Because it's over.
Mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming partly cloudy.
Guys, look at this. We're under flash flood warning now.
East winds 5 to 10 knots.
Now some of that water might slot, and now there might be water coming towards us. Can I turn on the weather channel?
Winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots early in
Okay, guys, that was the rest of the video
cloudy.
on TV, phone, and radio. Bye.